Hello and welcome to our channel. We're For All Family and we proudly make your life easier, answering practical questions about living with chronic diseases and medications. Today, we're delving into a crucial topic for those using Saxenda, a globally recognized weight loss medication. Saxenda has raised many questions about its storage. We know there's some confusion around its proper storage, and we're here to clear that up. So today, we're going back to the basics to answer all of your questions. Does Saxenda need to be refrigerated? How long can it stay out of the fridge? How to keep it cold while traveling? Let's get all your questions answered. What is Saxenda? Saxenda, an injectable medication, is a key player in long-term weight management when used alongside a balanced diet and regular exercise, of course. It's prescribed for adults and teens dealing with obesity, as well as adults with weight-related health issues. But did you know that Saxenda's active ingredient, 𝗪𝗙𝗥𝗟𝗘𝗪, is also used under a different brand name for treating diabetes? It's called 𝗪𝗙𝗥𝗟𝗘𝗥, and it's the exact same drug but with different FDA approvals and a lower dosage designed to lower blood sugar levels in people with type 2 diabetes. How does it work? The active ingredient, 𝗪𝗙𝗥𝗟𝗘𝗪, works primarily by suppressing the appetite. Saxenda mimics a human hormone called GLP-1 that's naturally released by the intestines in response to food. GLP-1 increases insulin secretion, satiety, and slows down digestion. By doing so, Saxenda helps you feel less hungry, more satisfied after meals, and controls your food intake, aiding in weight loss. Remember, Saxenda is a prescription medication and should be used under medical supervision. Saxenda injection pens. Saxenda is administered daily by subcutaneous injections, meaning the patients themselves perform the injections at home. Saxenda pens are pre-filled and very easy to use. They come in packs of 1, 3, or 5, each holding 3 milliliters of medicine, which is usually enough for several days or weeks of treatment, depending on your prescribed dose. A dose selector on the pen ensures accurate dosing. Does Saxenda need to be refrigerated? Yes, Saxenda needs to be refrigerated. Being a biological drug, it is produced from biological sources using a living system such as an animal cell, a plant cell, or a microorganism. And as such, it is highly sensitive to temperatures and can quickly deteriorate if not stored properly. Unused Saxenda pens should be stored in the fridge, ideally between 36 to 46 degrees Fahrenheit. Here are a few tips to avoid temperature fluctuations inside your home refrigerator and ensure the best storage conditions for your Saxenda pens. Store your medicine at the center of the fridge. Avoid bottom, sides, and door shelves where the temperature is less stable. Avoid opening the fridge door too often or for too long. Do not place Saxenda pens near the freezing compartment. Check the temperature inside your fridge often. Once a pen has been used or unrefrigerated, it can be stored at room temperature or placed back in the refrigerator. However, Saxenda pens must be used within 30 days after being taken out of the fridge and should never be exposed to temperatures above 86 degrees Fahrenheit, even briefly. How long does Saxenda last in the fridge? Unopened, refrigerated Saxenda pens last until the expiration date on the label. However, once opened or left unrefrigerated, a Saxenda pen can only last 30 more days, even if it's returned to the fridge. How to travel with Saxenda. Traveling with Saxenda may seem daunting, but with some foresight and reliable accessories, you can manage it. For example, using a medical-grade cooler like the ones from For All Family can help maintain your medication efficiency even in the hottest summer days. These high-performing mini-travel fridges and cooling cases are designed to protect your refrigerated drugs even when you're on the move. And there's one for every style. Whether you prefer a simple ice pack cooling case or a USB-powered mini fridge, your Saxenda pens can be kept cool for a few hours to multiple days of travel. Click the link below the video to browse through our catalog and get your cooler today. Besides using a medical-grade travel cooler, make sure to follow basic common-sense practices to protect your medicine from the heat while traveling. For example, never leave Saxenda pens in your car. Don't leave them in the sun. Never put your pens near a heat source. How to tell if Saxenda has gone bad. If your Saxenda appears cloudy, has changed color, or has particles, it may have gone bad. In this case, throw it away and use a new pen. Using expired Saxenda won't poison you, but it will be less effective or not work at all. Be sure to store your pens properly to avoid degrading the medication and impacting your treatment. Now you're equipped with all the essential information about storing Saxenda. Remember, always consult your healthcare provider for any specific concerns. Leave your questions in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights. Visit our website at forallfamily.com for further details on weight loss medications. Stay informed and stay healthy.